Kyle, what you doing, man?
I'm in the car on a jack, boy.
What for?
Downpipes, baby.
Hey. Catless downpipes for the Beamer. Got the O2 sensors disconnected over here. Jacking it up. Yeah, Kyle, put in that work.
Hit crew, baby.
We don't have a normal 8-mil.
Alright, Kyle, what are you doing?
I'm taking the under tray off.
Gotta get this off so you can install the downpipe.
Yeah, that's probably worth the investment.
Johnny's heading out.
Dude,
got this wheel off. Making space for everything.
Bro, this impact gun, it is the shit.
Lifesaver if you have one.
It really is.
So you got that panel off?
Yup, whole panel's off, and I'm starting to get these bolts off of the bottom of the cats.
Sweet. Off. Alright, so now you're gonna drop that thing down, right?
Yep.
Out of the way the exhaust.
This cross member, I think like 16mm bolts going across.
Boom.
And it just pops off.
See the downpipes right there.
I hope this doesn't throw shit off.
O2 sensors out. How's it going so far, Kyle?
Going pretty good. I'm actually disconnecting a different sensor right now, but
My friend just pulled up in his Jenny with the O2.
Curbside delivery.
Hey, sweet. I'm filming a vlog right now. Say what's up.
What's up? What are y'all doing?
It's pretty sweet. Installing downpipes on the Beamer.
No shit.
The Henny.
You see what I'm talking about?
Right.
Look at those.
dude, everything was going so smoothly.
Explain what you're doing right now.
Alright, everything was going smoothly, right? But there's this bracket holding the downpipes on up here. Here, wait, let's see if I can get a view. Get the light in there. Where's the bracket? Right here. Yeah, alright. There's a bracket with 2 bolts holding the downpipes on, basically. And
I'm trying to get that out right now.
you can't remove the downpipes without getting that bracket off. And it's in a very difficult position because one of the downpipes is blocking you from being able to access it. So we're using 2 extensions and a little swivel piece to get to it.
Here's all the stuff we've already taken out to get to it.
She's free! Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's another. What the fuck? There's another O2.
She is.
Alright, there's one more O2 we need to get undo.
Sweet.
That one's gonna be easy.
First downpipe in, right?
Not really, sort of.
Is this
We're working on it.
Is this the long or the short one?
This is the longer one.
So that one goes in first.
Yeah.
And boom, catless.
Top 2 at top, 2 at the bottom.
Damn.
That's why it's such a pain in the ass. Why are there 4 sensors?
Oh, fucking BMW.
For real, bro.
Start up. N54 downpipes.
Sir.
Wait, custom map. The fuck is that? Oh, you gotta download those. All right. Current maps. Stage 2 plus.
Do it. Sweet. 93 octane.
Dude, I need to do E85.
Audio.
Taking on the first test drive. Just cooled down. No engine light. There you go.
Clearing.
Hey, where is it? Oh, you can't see it. Dang. Rip. Yeah, the turbo spool is way louder, but it doesn't have that much drone.
Yeah, I'm surprised it's not that drony.
Feel faster?
You need to flash the tune for really fast.
Yeah.
Let's give her some beans.
Damn! Oh, that pop!
Oh man.
When you let off, it was like pop, 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 pop. You sound like popcorn. Damn. Sounds like a true BMW now. We are definitely going the speed limit. Mexico's really green this time of year. We're pulling onto the Zoom road. Infamous Zoom road. Damn, that's 60.
Jesus Christ, bro, it keeps pulling.
Damn, do the little pop thing. Dang. You got an M3, dude. Oh, and tell them about the paddles too.
Oh yeah, so we got some extended paddles coming, and from factory these kind of have a weird shifting pattern. Push them forward on either side to downshift, and to upshift you could pull either side towards you.
Freaking beamers.
It's really weird. So I'm getting extended paddles, and it'll be more like a conventional shifting pattern where it's up on this side and down on this side.
So that install is coming next. And then didn't you get something else too? What else was coming? Paddles,
I'm gonna get a front lip soon.
front lip, and then the new tune flash sometime. Sweet. This thing's about to be a beast.